Bonjour Mon Petites, it is I, the fabulous Trice, and as promised, I was able to go through the video footage from my birthday hair video, and we got enough to make something happen. So, since I didn't film an actual, factual, formal intro with me all zit up and zun up and my hair done and stuff, I just threw up some snaps and Insta pics from my birthday weekend for your viewing pleasure. So enjoy the tutorial, Mon Petites, and I will catch you on the other side.
I just want y'all to know I put on fashion tape. I hope you can hear me. The fashion tape is working.
Okay, so we're just gonna jump right on in. So as you guys may or may not know, I keep my hair either twisted, braided, or in a bun, whether it's under a turban or under a hat or whatever. My hair is always braided up or whatever, like 90% of the time. So I wanted to wear my hair in a sleek ponytail, but y'all know me, I'm all about the lazy man do. So what I came up with was this. My hair is an 8 twist. I take the back 4 twists, put a little bit of gel around the edges, smooth them out, and put it in a ponytail. Before I actually get to work on the front, I'm trying to figure out what side I want my part on, because I knew I wanted a side part, but I wasn't sure 100% about where. So once I decide where my part is going to be, I'm going to take a rat tail comb and get me a nice clean part going. Now that that's out of the way, I'm going to detangle the side section of my hair. Make sure that it's like, it doesn't have to be super detangled, but you do want it pretty detangled, because in order to smooth the product out, I need to run a small tooth comb through it. So I do try to get it pretty detangled. Once it's detangled, I'm going to take some Eco Styler olive oil gel and slap it on the section of hair. And I have a lot of styling butter, whatever. I don't remember what product I use, but there's a lot of product in my hair, so the gel is going to look kind of white, but that's just the gel mixing with the product. Anywho, I'm going to take that small tooth comb and I am going to smooth down my hair on the side and make sure it is nice and smooth and flat. And that's going to cover up the beginning, or begin to cover up the twist that I still have in the back. Once I have that smoothed down the way that I like it, I'm going to take my soft bristle brush and go over that and make sure it is smooth, and then we're gonna move on to the next side. And so for these last 3 sections, I'm gonna do the exact same thing. Detangle, slap some gel on it, smooth it out. Detangle, slap some gel on it, smooth it out. And again, detangle, slap some gel on it, and smooth this joint out. Now that we have everything all smooth and slicked up and in place, now we're going to throw a ponytail on it and make this joint into a bun. Now this part is totally optional. I'm using a little bit of foam wrap setting lotion just for some extra hold, because I planned on wearing this bun style situation for like a week or so. So I just wanted to make sure that it laid all the way down with the lay down. So for this next step, you're going to need some Marley hair, a scrunchie, and a razor comb, and that's it. Now you can use just 1 pack depending on how thick you want your ponytail to be. I used only 1 pack, but I also added like a 1/4 of a pack of red, you know, because of my streak or whatever. And yeah, so now I'm just gonna take the hair and split it apart, strand by strand. There's about, I don't know, 20 strands in a pack. It might be more, I didn't really count, but just a rough guess. There's about 20 strands in the pack. So I just split each strand in half. And then once you're done splitting your strands in half, you're going to get something that looks a little bit like this. Now you want to take the Marley hair and grab it up by the middle, and then you're going to take that scrunchie or hair tie, whatever, and you're going to place it under the hair. Like, it's hard for me to explain because you're not necessarily looping it through, but you're going to place it under the hair and then pick the hair tie up by the loops. Just watch and you'll see what I'm talking about, because I really don't know how to put that in words. If one of y'all know how to put that in words, write it down for me so I could put it in the description box or something, girl, because I don't know. So it's going to look like this. You're going to be able to put your thumb through the loops. Now, here comes the super duper easy part. You're going to take those loops, both of the loops, and just place it over your bun. Secure it on your bun, and it should be tight because your hair tie ain't really designed to go over no bun like that. So it's gonna be on there. It's gonna be nice and secure. So you're just gonna put it on your bun, slap it on your bun, and then once you have it secured onto your bun, it's gonna be all like weird looking like this. So you're gonna have a bun with a ponytail, like you got two different hairstyles and you don't know what you're doing with yourself. But that's not the finished looks. That's not what we're doing. So once you have it secured onto your bun, you're just gonna grab all of the hair and slide it around to where you need the ponytail to be. So you're gonna slide it to the top of the bun and it's gonna fall down over the ponytail. Now, since I have the color in mind, I have to adjust it to make sure that the color, you know, blends in with the color in my hair. And girl, I got me a nice little seamless blend, honey. If you gotta stick some bobby pins in there just to make sure that it covers your bun, do what you gotta do. But that's the end of it, girl. That is the end of that part. Okay, not quite. Okay, so you see how we're left with these raggedy ends? We don't like that. So what you're gonna do now is take your razor comb, and you want to use your razor comb and not scissors, because scissors is gonna give you a blunt edge, unless a blunt edge is what you're looking for. But me, I wanted it to look, you know, like realistic. So you're gonna take a razor comb and you're just going to razor through the ends until you get the desired look that you like. And once you're done, this is what you end up with. So that brings us to the end of another tutorial with Trice, another lazy man tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave me a comment below and let me know what you thought. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. I won't be doing any tutorials for a while because I still have this cast on my arm. Yes, I am still a cripple, as you guys already know. And if you don't know, make sure you check out my last video and see what had happened to me and why I'm a cripple. Anything else I wanted to say? Nope, I think that's it. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Love you, love you, love you. Honda Accord. That's not our Uber. The Uber where f***ing take us. I'm over here vexed. I'm about to report these like the only joint, and I'm about to write a long ass, harshly written letter. She's about to have a fit. I'm